to enable and set up mobile hotspot on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we can open settings. Next over here we should be able to find more connectivity options, so you should be able to go over here, and then here we can find portable hotspot, which we can easily enable just by tapping on the switcher. If you have been into the portable hotspot setting before, then most likely you can find it outside of the settings. So if you go here for the first time in more connectivity options, then afterwards you will just find it here in settings instead. Now we can tap on set up portable hotspot in order to make some changes. Like for example, we can set up the name for the hotspot. You can tap on this eye icon in order to reveal the password to our hotspot, and of course you can change the password as well quite easily. And there are some other additional settings as well, like for example we can choose the AP band or the frequency. So for example you can change to 5 GHz if you want to speed up your portable hotspot. However, keep in mind that this might result in incompatibility problems with other devices that do not support this frequency. Of course, if you made any changes, remember to use this check in the upper right corner. If the hotspot is enabled, you can also generate a QR code, so you can share it with other devices so they can connect to your hotspot pretty much immediately if they have the option to scan a Wi-Fi QR code. And also we have some other stuff in here as well, like for example the support of the 6th generation standard and the one-time data limit as well. Besides that, the hotspot is most likely accessible via the control center or quick settings, but if you don't have it in here, then you should be able to tap on edit at the bottom of the screen, and then we can just simply try to find it in here in these options to add it to the list. So here we have the hotspot, let's just add it, and then we can just tap on this button to enable or disable hotspot pretty quickly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.